Hey, Kenny.
What?
Let's play Wordle.
What's Wordle?
You don't know what Wordle is? Come on. First you don't know what tic-tac-toe is, then you don't know what noughts and crosses is, and now you don't know what Wordle is. Are you serious?
Is it a game?
Yes, it is.
Sounds like a Pokemon.
Oh, goodness. Wordle. It's a game of words. Can I have your computer for a sec? Thank you. Wordle.com.uk. Here you go. This is Wordle. So you need to guess a word, a 5-letter word, and you only have 6 tries.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
If you see a green square, that means the letter is in the word. If it's yellow, that means it's correct. It just needs to be in a different spot. So you want to play?
Let's give it a shot.
Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Hannah.
And my name is Kenny.
And today we are,
Going to play
as we mentioned before,
Wordle.
Yay! So, Kenny, what word should we go with?
Can I just type in A-E-I-O-U?
Not in
It's
wordless.
not a word.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
so
not
it
a
has
word.
to be a word.
Should we just go with Wordle? Oh no, that has 6
Wordle?
letters. Sorry.
We could go with words.
Words?
Yeah.
But it only has 1 vowel.
You want something with more than 1 vowel. Let's start with great.
Right. Oh, that's a good go. Go ahead.
You want to start with great?
Yeah, let's go. Great. Ooh, it has
So
an A.
that means there's an A.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's not the 4th letter. It's somewhere here or here. Who knows?
Mm-hmm. So it doesn't have a G-R-E.
And it doesn't have a T.
And it doesn't have a T.
So goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Okay. A word with an A. A word with an A.
A door.
But door has an E.
Oh yeah.
And an R. What about stare?
But it has a T.
Oh yeah.
Have you thought of the word? Right. So what word should we go with?
Well, I think if it has an A and we want to get maximum vowels, we could try a word like haiku.
Ooh, what does it mean?
Haiku is a Japanese poem. It's
Interesting.
a type of Japanese poem.
Do you
It
want
has an I and a U, so we can try that.
and see.
Okay.
H-A-I-K-U.
I-K-U.
I'm pressing.
Okay.
I'm pressing. I've pressed.
No, you didn't. Oh, so we know that it has a K and an H.
We're good.
But it doesn't have an I. I was going to say khaki.
I think the A is over here, the last letter.
You think it's going to be last?
Yeah. Do you want to go with the word chalk?
C-H-A-L-K. C-H-A-L-K. We can try chalk.
I'm going.
Okay, let's go with chalk.
C-H-A-L-K.
So we have the H and the K and the A.
Should we press?
Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so we know the
Whoa.
K is, and we know that the C is in the 4th position.
Yeah, you were right.
So
We only need 2 letters.
hack, thack, shack,
Shack.
shack. Oh, shack.
You go.
So it has to be thack. Thack, T-H-A-C-K. Is that a word?
I don't know.
What else? Or whack, W.
Whack.
W.
Whack.
I think it's W-H. Yeah. There we go.
Yay!
All right, we got it on the 5th try.
Well done.
All right.
Good teamwork. High five. Oh! First you give me a painful handshake, now I'm giving you a painful high five.
Now you're going to put that in the video.
Probably.
Or we could give each other a high five again. That was the high five.
So guys, tell us, do you know what whack means?
No. Or out of context, I think whack means to hit.
Like you gave me a high five. You just
Like this, whack.
whack. Ow.
Whack.
Okay, I think that was all for today. We
Okay.
had a great time. Write comments down below if you have ever played Wordle.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and write your comments below.
And we'll see you
In our next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.